Alright, we're steam cleaning a carpet in an apartment. Wait for the steam to start. We just let the machine pressurize and come up to full temperature, and we're going to start.
Boy, it's hot.
Yep. And all we're using is a white terry hand towel on the thing instead of a pad this time. You see, there's some stains a little bit here by the front door where the people walk in at, but the rest of the carpet's actually not too bad. I think the carpet's only like 3 months old. So.
Steamer forward. Hold on. It's dry. You can't even tell it's been hit with anything. It's bone dry. I'm not joking around.
It's a 3-month-old carpet, but whoever moved in here on brand new carpets, they didn't stay their full term, and apparently they went ahead and got cigarette burns and stuff in it a little bit. Sometimes people in it's been cold weather, a lot of people like to stand here with their front doors open and smoke cigarettes and look outside. So there's always, by doorways, you may find a lot of cigarette burns and damage sometimes. Alright, for those of you who haven't seen our other videos that we've done with this steamer, it's a Dupray Neat. It's rated at 275 degrees at 50 psi, and we've found that even though it's only good, it's basically like a static pressure before you squeeze the trigger, it stays at a good pressure and temperature, so it doesn't drop down too much. And so we can run it pretty much wide open. It has a trigger lock, and you can pretty much just do like if you want to do a whole room at one time, you don't have to stop if you don't want to, and let the steam build up.
Yeah, you can go a long ways on a head of steam, that's for sure.
And we show a lot of videos with it cleaning carpets, and that's because that's what we do. You'll find a lot of other videos out there on cleaning kitchens and bathrooms and maybe hard floors and stuff, and we don't really focus on any of that. So what we pretty much show is carpet cleaning with it, and it works real nice. And one thing I like about it is it fluffs the carpets up for you. So when we rake the carpets when we're done, they're real easy to rake because it gets all the traffic patterns and stuff. It gets the carpet lifted up for you.
Well, everybody knows these things are clean tile floors and stuff, so we do tile stuff. We just don't show it because it's not really that exciting. I suppose if someone wanted to see a video, we might do something here and there. But carpets is something people don't know you can do with these. Everyone knows you can do tile and grout and all that stuff. So that's why we show it, because it's not something everybody knows about. But everybody knows about the rest of the stuff these things do. Okay, I've done a big enough area. What I'll do is let the steam build up for a minute, which don't take long, and then finish this room.
Now we do have this on an extension cord. You can use an extension cord, but you need to use one that's the right size. So I think this one's rated at 13 amps and 1500 watts is what this cord's rated at. But
Oh, hey, just so y'all know, this is honest. I just worked over here. It's dry. It's bone dry. That's no joke.
All right, when the little green light on the front goes, when it goes from amber to green, it's fully pressurized and the temperature's up.
Oh, it's hot, look. In case anybody wants to wonder about it. And we've had people ask us how quick can you clean with them, and well, you're watching. You can clean pretty quick with them. Now on a dirty carpet, you slow down a little bit and it'll take out. I've never seen dark stains or traffic stains it won't just take out. You may have to go over a couple times, but it gets them all out. And gotta be honest, it works pretty good.
Yeah, we've been using this for a good couple of months, and we've done a lot of carpets with it. Oh, you got stuck there.
Yeah.
And we've been real happy with it. Now, we've done some upholstery. It's harder to get videos of upholstery cleaning because you're usually in someone's house and the lighting's terrible, and so we don't get a chance to really make good videos of that. But these things are great for cleaning upholstery.
Oh, it's a dream on upholstery. I done a couch the other day in like 4 minutes, and it was clean too.
Watch out, there's something in the carpet there. Look straight down.
Hang on.
Someone's... Whoa, you just ran over it.
I don't know what it is. I didn't see it.
It looked like a straightened out safety pin. I can't imagine what someone would do with that, huh?
Time to push the old crack pipe.
Probably. Lift that up and make sure you don't have it jammed underneath.
Let me finish my pass.
Yeah, people sometimes complain that we wear shoes when we're cleaning carpets. And if you've if you ever had to clean up a carpet that some people that were meth addicts, or you can imagine what kind of things could be embedded in a carpet. You see
Guys,
it?
I'll tell you right now, we wear shoes because people break crack pipes.
Yeah, there's broken glass, there's metal.
Needles.
There's needles. Pipes. Yeah, there's needles. There's you know, the chances of getting a good case of hepatitis or something else like that. It's not worth it to us. Now, on your own carpet in your home, if you want to walk barefoot, you know what's in the carpet, and that's probably safe for you. But when you're on a carpet you know nothing about, it's not safe to go barefoot.
We've had people actually tell us off, so it's not right to wear shoes on carpets. Because I go, you go get AIDS. We're not going to. How about that? So we wear shoes on carpets, and if you're smart, you will too. And at your home, if you don't go barefoot at your own house, good.
Here, shut that for a minute.
Yeah, shut that real quick. That's it. That's a room. I don't know if the brother's going to show more, but there's more to show, but we may just do it off camera.
Well, yeah. He's going to do this room and a closet, this room and a closet. And there's just not that much to show. And you get the basic gist of what we're doing just from this living room. And all you have to do when you do it like this is, we'll have to rake the carpets when we're done, but they're real easy to rake. Here's our carpet rake. It's real easy to rake the carpets once you've steamed them, because it fluffs the carpets up for you. And they're dry, so it's real nice for that. I'll put a link in the video description. This is an Amazon exclusive at this time, so if you're interested in one of these, that's the only place you can get it. If you go to Dupray's website, you can find the accessories and things like that for it, but they don't actually sell it on their website, so you have to go to Amazon. So I'll put a link in there for that. I'll also put a link in for our Amazon influencer store, where you can find not just the neat, but you can find lots of other steamers, and you can find lots of other cleaning tools and accessories. We sell a little bit of everything there. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.